Hey everyone, it's Miss Christine here. I've got Audrey here to help me. Some of you may know her. She's in the preschool class. Today we're going to make some bouncy balls.
Nobody's there.
That's okay, they're going to watch it.
Oh.
Okay, so for the ingredients that you're going to need is you're going to need half a cup of warm water, some glue, something to color your bouncy ball with. It could be watercolors, it could be food coloring, whatever you have at home. You're going to need something called borax, which is like a dish, like a laundry detergent. And then you're going to need some cornstarch. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our warm water and put it into a cup here. And then Audrey's going to help me scoop out our borax and put it in our water. Ready, Audrey? Go ahead. Okay, not a whole scoop though, okay? We're gonna use a little bit less than 1 tablespoon. All right, and then put it in our water. Perfect, Audrey. And then Audrey is going to use a spoon to mix.
No, I already got it.
We're gonna use this one.
Why?
Because we're gonna need 2 spoons. All right, so Audrey's gonna mix that up until all the borax is dissolved. In another little bowl, I'm gonna measure out some glue. I'm going to put about a tablespoon.
I'm all done.
Keep mixing. We got to make sure we don't see any more
White?
Right, no more white. The glue doesn't have to be exact. It could be a little bit more or a little less than a tablespoon. Totally up to you.
But can there still be a little of white?
Yeah, we want to try to get rid of it though, okay? Can you keep mixing? All right.
Can you help me?
Yeah, Audrey and I are going to mix together for a little bit. Ready, Audrey? Stir, 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 stir. All right, that's good. We're going to put that to the side. Next, we're going to grab about a tablespoon of cornstarch, plus a little extra. And then we're going to put that to the side. And then we're going to add our color. Audrey, what color would you like to make your bouncy ball?
Purple.
All right, so I've got some purple watercolor here. We're going to open it up and we're going to add it. All right, now Audrey's going to use her spoon here and she's going to mix that together. Mix, 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 mix. Go ahead, mix it up. Keep mixing. Go ahead. Yeah, there you go, Audrey. Mix, 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 mix. Yeah, mix it up. Keep mixing. Ready?
There can't be any white.
Right, we want to get rid of all the white. We gotta mix it all up.
But what about the white on the side?
Would you like some help to scrape the sides?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Let's see. All right, so that's all mixed up. Once you've gotten it all mixed up. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our borax mixture, and Audrey's gonna help me. She's gonna pour it in.
I'm gonna do it by myself.
Go ahead, pour it in. All right, now ready? We're gonna mix.
I want to do it by myself.
Okay, go ahead, mix. Mix, mix, mix.
There can't be any
You're gonna notice it's gonna start to come together. Audrey's looking like she's gonna use her fingers to help it come off her spoon because it'll get a little stuck to your spoon. That's okay though.
That's white.
Yeah, that's okay. All right, go ahead, Audrey. You gotta mix it up. All right, ready? That's okay if it's stuck. All right, let's see. All right, I'm gonna help Audrey get it out of the bowl now. So I'm going to start to mush it around in my hands a little. It's going to get a little sticky here because part of it inside didn't get to go into the borax mixture, so it stays a little sticky. But that's okay because I'm going to mix it a little bit in my hands. And then I'm going to add it back to our mixture again just to get what was left in there. And then we're going to use our hands to form it into a ball. It's going to feel a little bit wet and a little sticky still, but that's okay because as we keep rolling it. You might even need to dry your hands off to get rid of some of the water that's on your hands. And then you're gonna roll. Wanna roll it, Audrey? Go ahead, roll it up. On your hands, can you roll? Oh, you're gonna use the table to help? Or your hands, yeah. Here. Want me to do a little? To roll it to get rid of the sticky. Ready? Let me see. Can you put it in my hand?
Drop it in.
Hold on, we don't need to. Ooh. So as you roll it some more, you're gonna start to feel it drying a little. And then once it's dry, you have made your very own bouncy ball. Go ahead, you wanna bounce it?
Yeah.
Go ahead, bounce it on the table. Oh, that one didn't bounce. Oh, there it goes. Here's one that we've made and it's had a chance to dry a little. Sometimes they flatten out and you have to roll them again. Whoa. All right. Have fun making a bouncy ball. See you next time.